Hello guys, tikman natin to. Binili ko sa Family Mart. Ito, Shushan spicy chicken. And I buy 20 NT rice. Ayan. Tikman natin, ano, kung gaano nga ba kasarap itong pan na to. Kasi is one of my favorite din na lagi kong binibili sa Family Mart. And let's try. This is 20 NT rice. 20 NT rice and wow, look at it. So yummy. Yan. 20 NT and 59 NT. Nakikita ba? And try natin kung masarap. Let's eat lunch. So,